Hey there, home cooks! Ever opened a bottle of soda only to find it flat and lifeless? Fear not! Today I'm going to show you how to transform that flat soda into gourmet delights right in your kitchen. First up, we have soda braised veggies, a savory caramelized side dish that's sure to impress. Grab 2-3 cups of your favorite hearty veggies, carrots, Brussels sprouts, onions, parsnips, you name it. Chop them up. In a skillet, heat a tablespoon of butter or oil over medium heat. Toss in those veggies and saute for 3-5 minutes until they start to brown. Now, here's the magic. Pour in 1 cup of flat soda and a tablespoon of soy sauce. Add a clove of minced garlic if you fancy. Cover and let it simmer for 10-15 minutes, stirring occasionally. As the soda reduces, it turns into a luscious glaze. Once the liquid's mostly gone and the veggies are tender and shiny, season with salt, pepper, and a splash of apple cider vinegar or hot sauce if you like a bit of zing. Serve it hot as a side dish, perfect with grilled or roasted mains. Now let's switch things up with a flat soda simple syrup. This versatile syrup can elevate your cocktails, coffee, and even your desserts. You'll need 1 cup of flat soda, half a cup of granulated sugar, and a tablespoon of lemon juice. Combine them in a small saucepan and heat over medium. Stir occasionally and let it simmer for 10-15 minutes until it thickens. For added depth, toss in some cinnamon, cloves, or vanilla in the last 5 minutes. Cool it down, strain, and store it in a jar or bottle. This syrup keeps in the fridge for about 2 weeks. Use this syrup to mix into iced coffee, mocktails, or cocktails. Drizzle it over pancakes, waffles, or ice cream. You can even brush it on grilled fruit or glazed meats. So don't toss that flat soda. Turn it into something extraordinary. Happy cooking!